We are coming to you live from the beautiful Bushnell Center for the Performing Arts. I'm Hartford Healthcare's Tina Verona, where tomorrow night a very special show will be happening called Nite of Lite Laughter, featuring Louis Anderson and Rita Rudner, a night of comedy and fun, all to benefit the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute. I am so happy to be joined by Jessica Micoletti. She's a nurse navigator at Hartford Hospital. Jessica, thank you for joining us today. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
So as a nurse navigator, you see the benefits of what tomorrow night's show really brings to the Cancer Institute as a nurse navigator. You're there for women during a very critical time, maybe perhaps before a diagnosis, but certainly after a diagnosis, and you're really that support system. Tell us about your role.
So I have the opportunity to get connected with women and some men here and there before diagnosis, but definitely at diagnosis, to make sure that they're connected with the right people, whether it's a breast surgeon, medical oncologist, radiation oncologist, but continue educating them and supporting them about their diagnosis and treatment.
When we see the benefits on an event like this tomorrow night, and the money goes toward, you see what the money goes toward, and how does that help you in your role in helping women?
So we see about 600 new breast cancer patients a year at Hartford Hospital. There are some women who are uninsured or underinsured that aren't able to come in and get original screening mammograms or diagnostic imaging. So some of this money is going to go directly towards helping those patients get screening and into treatment sooner than they would have normally. We also use some of the money for our mastectomy patients, providing necessity bags for after surgery.
And so through the process and having the support system, such as somebody like yourself, a nurse navigator, to those out there who might not be familiar with this role, you're literally there every step of the way.
I'm with a patient from diagnosis through end of treatment.
Yeah. And describe for me a night like tomorrow night in terms of it's a great night. It's a lot of fun to laugh a little bit, come out, and to support such a great cause in terms of helping women with breast cancer. How have you seen in your role, because nurse navigators are relatively new, but how have you seen in terms of the progression of treatment based on somebody like yourself navigating patients through?
So there's a lot of moving parts into the different providers that are involved, different offices. I think sometimes it's nice for patients to have one contact, no matter which provider they're seeing at the time, that they know they can call and just kind of ask questions again. Hey, I just left my doctor's office and they went through everything, and can we go over it again? Making sure that they're connected, and any follow-up appointments that they forgot about, that we can make sure they're all set up appropriately.
Because it certainly is easy to do, and especially when you have the stress of a diagnosis, to sort of say, here you go, you help me deal with this.
So I love my job. I love coming to work every day. I've been doing this for about 4.5 years now, and I work with such a great team of doctors and nurses and office staff that we're able to provide such great care to our patients here in Hartford, Manchester, and Avon.
Well, we certainly appreciate what you do each and every day for so many women out there and men as well. Jessica Micoletti, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
And if you'd like to come out here tomorrow night to the Bushnell Theater for the Performing Arts to see that really great show, Nite of Lite Laughter, featuring Louis Anderson and Rita Rudner, there are tickets still available. So we're going to put that information on the screen for you. So we hope to see you tomorrow night for a great time, for a great cause benefiting the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'm Hartford Healthcare's Tina Verona.